Climate experts have tasked Nigeria's federal government to leverage the inclusion of youths in its climate action plan. Now, this was during the summit in Abuja, where youth groups met ahead of the COP29 International Climate Conference to review milestones achieved and efforts already put in place by government. Amadin Uyi reports.
It was a stakeholders summit reviewing Nigeria's climate action plans and efforts ahead of the upcoming International Climate Change Conference, also known as COP29. The summit provided an opportunity to exchange ideas on how they can contribute at all levels, including policies formulation, climate actions, amongst others.
We are all aware that climate change affects everybody everywhere in the world, but also in Nigeria. And Germany, as one of the active participants on the international scene on climate action, we are convinced that we don't want to we don't want to give on a planet to the younger generation that they don't deserve. But in order to prevent it, we have to act today. And here I have seen so many young people that have come together under the hashtag climate change for a better Nigeria to find out, to exchange on ways how they can contribute on all levels in their communities, in policy making, wherever they are.
What we are trying to achieve is to resource, right, and equip and also empower youth CSOs, civil society organizations in selected 5 Nigerian states, that is Kaduna, Nasarawa, Ondo, Delta, and Enugu. And, you know, we had a series of applications rolling from different organizations from different states in Nigeria. However, we're streamlining it to only 5 states, which I have mentioned.
One message which resonated at the summit was the inclusion of youth in Nigeria's climate action plans, making them effective participants at mitigating effects.
The youth are the majority of the people in Nigeria. It's their future, it's their planet. So that's why we are convinced, and we advocate for that everywhere internationally, that the youth have a seat at the table on all levels when decisions are taken about the future of their lives, of their country, of our planet.
It's necessary that the young people continue to engage, and that is why the event here is very, very important. On the part of ILO, I've said that ILO, one of our strategic means of working is social dialogue. So on the part of young people, we will make sure that they engage in the ongoing communication, because that is key.
The UCSs that were empowered and went through capacity building sessions have also gone into their local communities, right, to equip and educate at least 10 CSOs in their states, each of them in each of the states. And they've also organized community dialogue to take the perspectives of people in the local communities about what they think, you know, about climate issues, climate-related crises, and to ensure, put their voices together to form a local adaptation plan of action.
With the summit now ended, participants in the youth groups in attendance have been equipped with relevant skills to help Nigeria achieve its climate action plans across both urban and rural communities. In Abuja for News Central, I am Amadin Uyi.